Here's an interesting psychology fact for boys. The male brain develops slower than the female brain. Research suggests that the male brain takes approximately 6 years longer to mature than the female brain. This difference is due to various factors, including genetics and hormonal influences. Impact on boys. Delayed emotional regulation and impulse control. Increased risk-taking behavior. Better spatial awareness and motor skills. Tips for parents/educators. Encourage emotional expression and empathy. Model healthy impulse control and decision-making. Foster physical activity and spatial skills development.